Terra Classic lawsuit. We're going to be going over all of that with Binance and Terra Classic and the lawsuit that is going on. All these investors that are trying to get their money back from everything that has happened with possibly Binance misleading people, as well as Do Kwon maybe siphoning money. We're going to be talking about all of these allegations in this video, so make sure you guys watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any of this extremely important information, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And we're going to be putting out more Terra Luna Classic content, so you guys are going to want to see that as well. But anyways, let's go over the video for today, which is going to be about Terra Classic, which is currently down about 7%. However, the crypto market has once again started to free fall. So we are still doing better than the market. Bitcoin is currently up, we are currently doing 2% better than Bitcoin and about 6% better than Ethereum. The market cap is currently ranked number 217 with a $380 million market cap, and the volume is currently sitting at about $83 million, which is down 33% over the past 24 hours. However, this is probably because of the overall sell-off in the market. People just aren't really willing to buy at the moment, so the volume is starting to go down a bit. But yeah, so that's pretty much all we're looking at for Terra Classic. Yeah, let's get into the rest of the video and the rest of the news for this video. But first, I do want to mention that you guys can get a free stock when you deposit just $1 on public.com. Public.com is basically a social investing app. We're going to be able to see different investors' portfolios such as ours, and when you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon. Might as well try out your luck with that. First link in the description. But anyways, let's get into the news. So, lawsuit accuses Binance US of selling unregistered securities, false advertising Terra UST as safe. So let's talk about this. A class action lawsuit against Binance US has been filed in California that alleges the exchange misled investors and sold unregistered securities to roughly 2,000 plaintiffs. So obviously it's most likely more than 2,000 plaintiffs considering the size and scope of this crypto project. Terra Classic, or Terra Luna it used to be, was just obviously massive. But let's go further into this. The case was filed by the law firm Rock Friedman LLP, a company known for high-profile crypto lawsuits during the last few years. The lawsuit accuses Binance US of marketing Terra USD or UST as a firmly fixed stablecoin tied to the value of the US dollar. Class action lawsuit, now let's go over the rest. On Monday, the US-based Binance trading platform, Binance US, has been served a lawsuit that accuses the company of selling unregistered securities and misleading investors. The accusations derive from last month's Terra UST depegging incident and the entire Terra Classic blockchain ecosystem that got obliterated. So yeah, basically it goes on to talk about all of the things that happened. You guys can read this whole lawsuit if you'd like, but we'll just go over some of the important parts here. One of the quotes was Binance US's parent company Blithely added insult to injury when on May 31st, 2022, it began selling Luna 2.0, a new token which, just like Luna, is centrally controlled by Terraform Labs. So basically, a lot of people are most likely going to be accusing Binance, I'm not saying I am, of cooperation and then misleading investors. But yeah, whistleblower Fatman says that the Binance lawsuit is just the beginning, as another class action lawsuit aimed at helping Terra investors is coming. So basically, we might be getting some help from some of these class action lawsuits. The well-known whistleblower Fatman helped the suit move forward by gathering 2,000 Terra investors. Fatman has disclosed that another class action lawsuit aimed at helping the grieving Terra investors will follow the case on Monday. Fatman tweeted about the current class action as against Binance US on Monday as well. He said, "We begin today. Partnered with one of the law firms I'm working with, Rock Friedman, our group of UST victims are bringing a class action against Binance US for torturous deceit and more. I prefer a world where crypto companies lie and prey on the weak. There are consequences." So I just want to make sure that these are all allegations. Don't want to say anything yet, but hopefully they're able to help out investors and are able to help investors recoup their losses that they may have seen, but you know, we'll have to see where this does go. Definitely follow and subscribe to us so you definitely keep up to date on all of this. But anyways, let's talk some more about the burn. So kind of switching up topics here. The lawsuit obviously could help investors, but this could help you if you're investing in Terra Classic or Lunc now. So basically there's two proposals that we have on the table. Obviously when you look at Terra Classic, we are not even close to a cent right now. The goal is to basically get to a cent or $1, and to do that we're gonna have to get this circulating supply from 6,500 billion Lunc or 6.5 trillion Lunc down to 10 billion Lunc. That's the goal, and we're gonna be able to do that in a couple ways. But just keep in mind, if we are able to get this circulating supply down to 10 billion like we want to, the market cap would only have to be $1 billion, which is about $619 million away from what it is right now. So it's definitely a possibility. But anyways, the two burn proposals are going to be, one, a 1.2% tax on all Lunc tokens bought and sold by its users. Now this would include exchanges as well as on-chain, and until the supply of the tokens drops down to 10 billion, which would be the target. And then there's a second burn proposal, which is going to be burning 35% of all Lunc transaction fees on-chain. So basically there's transaction fees that happen every time you transact with it on-chain. So 35% of that would be burned, 10% airdrop to developers, and 5% to Terra Classic development to continue to help Terra Classic or Lunc do well as a crypto. So hopefully these two things can help us burn all the way to a cent or even $1, but in order to get to $1, it'd take $10 billion market cap if we did get to that 10 billion supply like we want to get to. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, also, I do want to mention that we do have a free section in our private Discord now. So if you guys are interested in getting signed up to our free Discord, we give out stock option plays as well as crypto plays. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and join with the second link in the description. It's going to be really beneficial for you guys. I would really suggest you guys do join that with the second link. But anyways, let's talk about some technical analysis before we do get out of here. So we can see here that we are currently trending up on the MACD for Lunc, so that is great to see. The RSI is only at about a 55, and we're actually starting a bit of a cup and handle here. So if we are able to break out of this cup and handle, we could see a gain all the way to the resistance at the 61, which I would expect to by the time you see this video tomorrow. And the overall resistance is most likely going to be at about the 65. So that's what to be on the lookout for. Hopefully we can cross the 61 by the time you see this video, and then we will be on our way to the 65 resistance, which from here would be about anywhere from 10 to 15% in gains, which would be awesome. So that's my price prediction. But anyways, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Get signed up to our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. That's going to be it for today. My name's Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.